Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to pause a video in Amazon Prime Pro. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to pause a video in Amazon Prime Pro, just simply open Amazon Prime and play any of the video into Amazon. After playing the video in Amazon, you can see this play pause button at the middle. Just simply tapping into that button will play and pause your video very easily. But if that button doesn't work, just simply go to the app settings of Amazon Prime and then try clearing your app cache from here. And after doing this, your pause and play will start to work again properly. By following these very easy steps, you can easily pause a video in Amazon Prime Pro. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.